So we're going to Lansing, Iowa, and because the bridge is under construction, we're taking a ferry, and then we're going to Horsefall. It's a variety store, yeah. There's the bridge that they're working on. Just not today because it's Saturday. And we were waiting for a half an hour for the ferry to come, and we're the last, well, not the last car, the car before the last car to get on the boat, on the ferry. We're moving. I think that's strange that it's like moving around like that. Oh, the sun.
It burns.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I'm a vampire. There goes that thing again.
Oh, he just ran into us.
Bump. We're finally getting off the ferry.
Which side gets to go first?
Us. Yay!